So, man, I'm trying to show y'all how to really fix the sound on your Xbox One. If it doesn't work, I got it. I'll make it work. Or you'll make it, I'll tell you to. As you can see, my white one right there, Xbox One. Got my controller ready. Alright, so I did research on YouTube, find out things, simple, it's gonna be like that. You're gonna go to your apps, games and apps, which is, just have it on my settings. It should be right here in the corner, and I'm barely having it signed in. So, boom, settings, and you go to audio, and then you go here and you put a stereo uncompressed, and all you do is just exit out. Bam, you can hear it just like that in a minute. So try that, and y'all good, y'all can like it, subscribe, whatever. I know it was short and bullshit, but it works. Trust me. I thought my shit was broke. I bought it from a pawn shop, so I thought I got rid of that. Ready to go. All right, y'all subscribe.